Pedro again. Listen, Pedro's not real. Alright? A million times. Alright? The whole hair dryer, Pedro. No. Yeah, and I know you keep. Don't look at me like that. Pedro. Alright. You know what? One last time. One last time.
The coyotes are howling as we outward the door. Whispers are cowboys.
What?
He rides in the sun till his day's work is done, and he rounds up the cattle each fall.
It's cool. We're cool. Gallagher.
For hours he would ride on the range, far and wide, when the night winds blow up the squall. His heart is a feather in all kinds of weather. He sings his cattle call.
The castle.
He's brown as the bear, it's the bride, the prairie, and he sings with an old western drawl. Singing his cattle call.
Wait a minute. Where are we? Let me try. Hamburgers, hamburgers? No.
Hamburgers.